Hey, good evening, everybody. Good evening, good evening, good evening. This is Booker Williams coming to you live with another video. Now, today I want to talk about rolling with the punches. Now, if you don't know by now, you will know that every day is not going to be a good day. So, when you're having a bad day, you have to do your best to get out that bad day as soon as possible because if you stay in a funk for too long, you're never going to get out of it. And a lot of people think that it's not normal, but it is. Just find something to get out of it. Just like business owners, they don't have good days all the time, but they still have to show up. Same thing with you. You still have to show up. A lot of times people be on their jobs, they have bad days, but guess what? They still show up. I mean, at least some of them still show up. Some of them just call out. So you always have to find something that really keeps you going. In the business world, they find a reason why. Something that's going to keep you going through good times and bad times because the bad times going to be here. And I always tell people they don't last forever, but they do come. We have to really face reality. So hopefully that helped somebody today that's going through a bad time. So if you like the video, please like, comment, and share it. And I'll be back tomorrow with another video. Tomorrow is Friday and it's payday. So let's get it. This is Booker Williams. Y'all know, head on over to 25sidehustles.com. This is Booker Williams. Deuces.